What if galaxies collided daily? Space chaos would ensue, with stars crashing, new ones forming, and cosmic destruction everywhere slowly. Galaxy collisions aren't just hypothetical. Our Milky Way is hurtling directly towards Andromeda at 250,000 miles per hour rapidly. In 4 billion years, they'll violently collide, creating a massive cosmic mess, but stars won't actually crash. They're just too incredibly far apart. Galaxies are mostly empty space, so it's more like a majestic cosmic dance than a catastrophic smash-up, with gravity subtly guiding the celestial moves. Galaxy mergers trigger massive starbursts as giant gas clouds collide, creating new stars like cosmic factories working relentlessly over time daily. Some galaxies experience multiple collisions throughout their history, reshaping them into weird and wonderful complex shapes over cosmic timescales. The antennae galaxies are currently merging, with long, trailing tails of stars streaming gracefully behind like ethereal cosmic bridal veils. Collisions can create galaxy cannibalism, where a larger galaxy slowly gobbles up a smaller one, like a massive cosmic Pac-Man devouring its prey. The Cartwheel Galaxy was formed by a massive galactic collision, resulting in a spectacular ring of new stars like an enormous cosmic ripple effect slowly. Simulations show galaxy collisions can create spiral arms, bars, and even trigger significant growth of supermassive black holes frequently observed. Not all galaxy collisions are head-on catastrophic events. Some are glancing blows, like a cosmic game of interstellar chicken played very dangerously. Galaxy collisions can compress gas, triggering the formation of numerous new stars and even entire massive star clusters suddenly. The resulting galaxy often has a completely different shape, like a cosmic game of Lego, with various pieces reassembling together uniquely always. Some galaxies have tidal tails of stars, gas, and dust torn off during massive cosmic collisions, leaving behind trails like cosmic contrails. Galaxy collisions can surprisingly distort galaxy shapes, creating weird and wonderful morphologies through intense gravitational interactions constantly. Our own Milky Way has already collided with several smaller galaxies, like the Sagittarius dwarf spheroidal galaxy in cosmic mergers. These collisions have left behind vast streams of stars like cosmic breadcrumbs, precisely tracing the Milky Way's complex history and evolution. Galaxy collisions are surprisingly an important part of galaxy evolution, significantly shaping their complex structure and overall composition. They can trigger the rapid growth of enormous supermassive black holes, which mysteriously lurk at the dark centers of many galaxies. The energy released during massive galaxy collisions can be truly enormous, often outshining entire galaxies and surrounding cosmic space completely. Galaxy collisions surprisingly can create entirely new galaxy types, like elliptical galaxies, through massive galactic mergers and transformations. The merger process can take billions of years, with galaxies slowly merging like complex cosmic puzzle pieces gradually forming together. Galaxy collisions are a surprisingly key part of the cosmic cycle, recycling gas and stars into entirely new forming galaxies constantly. Astronomers study galaxy collisions closely to understand complex galaxy evolution processes and the mysterious role of dark matter involved. Simulations show that galaxy collisions can be very messy, with stars and gas being flung out into surrounding space rapidly. Some galaxy collisions surprisingly result in the formation of galactic rings, like beautiful glowing cosmic halos around merging galaxies. Galaxy collisions can be effectively used to comprehensively test our current understanding of gravity and the complex behavior of dark matter. The next galaxy collision is already looming on the horizon. Milky Way and Andromeda galaxies. Get ready for the massive cosmic smash soon. Galaxy collisions may have surprisingly played a crucial role in the formation of the first massive galaxies in the early universe evolution. So what if galaxies collided every single day? The universe would be a vastly different and much more dynamic and energetic place always.